This is a blood smear taken from pig blood, which is freshly stained. As you can see, uh, the smear is still more bluish or more purplish than pink. And again, let's go to the monolayer area. And in this low power magnification, we can already see your white blood cells. So let's zoom in. And here you can see your different white blood cells. You can already see your lymphocytes, from your monocytes, from your neutrophils. So let's zoom in more. Under 400x, you can clearly see that in the case of the pig, the RBCs are crenated or have these spiky structures on their ends. So they say that this is quite normal with pigs, the crenated um, RBCs. And here we have your neutrophils, neutrophil, neutrophils, since they don't seem to have any granules. And here, this can be your big lymphocyte, or I think this is more of a monocyte, I guess. So it's very tricky to differentiate, but what we can be sure of is if the shape of the nucleus is very irregular, such as this, then you can be sure that it is a monocyte. And here you would have your lymphocyte with very scanty cytoplasm. This one may be a basophil, but it's distorted, so we cannot be sure of that. And this one can be a distorted or squashed eosinophil. Again, it's hard to ascertain that. Again, you can see your neutrophils and your lymphocytes, and monocytes, and lymphocytes. Again, the crenated nature of your RBCs in the case of your pig blood. And here you have some platelets as well.